Hello everyone, hi Pisces water sign. This is March weekly reading and this is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Pisces water sign. What are the messages for Pisces? And what's going on? What are the messages for Pisces? Three of Wands, Three of Cups, Five of Wands. Five of Swords, Page of Swords and the Hierophant. Okay, this is Magician. Magician, Page of Pentacles and the Lovers. And another deck, Ten of Swords. Maybe there is some painful ending, maybe no contact situation between you and your person. You are in this pain, Pisces, but still you want rebirth, maybe. For some, you want to give up on this connection. So let's see your reading. Yeah, you want rebirth. Maybe you want to overcome this energy and you want to transform like this, the sun, positive shine. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Three of Wands, Three of Cups and Five of Wands. There was a lot of drama going between you and your person in recent past, Pisces. For some, it could be third party situation also. Three of Cups with Three of Wands. And again, this could be long distance. For you both live in different cities, countries or states. It could be physical or emotional distance between both of you. And Five of Wands energy, lot of drama. I think there are a lot of disagreements, lot of misunderstandings between both of you. There is no partnership, there is no collaboration between both of you. There is no understanding. In past, waiting. One person turned their back from the other person. It could be you or your person. Yeah, you both want this happiness, but it was not happened in past. Okay. Then present, Five of Swords, Page of Swords and the Hierophant. There are commitment issues. One person is committed in this connection, but one person is not. There is no balance in this connection and your person is spying on you on social media. Maybe you are spying on them on social media. A lot of stalking is going, Page of Swords. Maybe they want to communicate with you. And I think there are some commitment issues with the Hierophant card and Five of Swords. One person backstabbed the other, maybe hiding something from the other person or lying, cheating. It could be anything. There is some deception in this connection. Future, the Magician, Page of Pentacles and the Lovers. I think there is no emotional balance, but there is physical attraction between both of you. And Page of Pentacles, some communication, apology. Maybe you want to communicate with your person or your person want to communicate with you. And one person is immature in this connection and one person is very mature. And the Magician, you are in this energy, you want to manifest them back again in their life, Pisces. Maybe your person manifesting you back again in their life. I think it's you. So right now in future energy there will be some communication between both of you and the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, especially Gemini, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going. Temperance under the deck. Your person may be Sagittarius and they're patiently waiting. They want to restore the balance. They want to taking their power back. They're working on themselves. Maybe they're patiently waiting for you to come back, Pisces. So let's see your person current feelings. Okay. Oh my God. Hot. Three of Swords. Your person current feelings, Pisces. Page of Pentacles. I think communication, message and apology type of two. And yeah, stalking, lot of stalking, Page of Swords again. I think you both are stalking on each other, maybe social media. Three of Swords. Maybe you are in separation with your person because your person is heartbroken. They're in so much pain without you. They're feeling like this and they want to send some message, text, or because Page of Pentacles, because they want this stability in this connection. They're missing you, Pisces. So let's see the near future actions towards you. Ten of Wands. The Sun. the world. They want this happiness with you. Right now, your person feeling overburdened. King of Wands, they are very attracted to you. Maybe the person is fire sign. They are very attractive, grounded, and very powerful. They stand by their power. So, Ten of Wands, right now your person is busy. Maybe they have so many responsibilities like work pressure or family issues. But they want this happiness with you. You are their happiness, Pisces, and the world. They want reconciliation with you. They want to be with you. For some, this could be long distance. For some, the same cycle repeating between you and your person again. I think there is no change in someone behaviors in this connection. One person behaving the same way. There is no change. That's causing this separation maybe. But they're heartbroken without you. They want this happiness with you. You are their happiness, Pisces. But I think your person feeling like they are doing all the work. They are feeling like this is a hard work for them. That's why the separation had happened, because I think there is no equal give and take in this connection. One person is giving, another person is taking, but not investing. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and outcome. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Maybe your person right now feeling stuck, or you could be. Yeah, Seven of Swords. Judgment. I think one person is sneaky in this connection. I think your person may be hiding something from you in past. Maybe they are sneaky. Judgment, they are going to be make some major decision regarding this relationship. Something is sneaky in this connection. Yeah, judgment 2 times. I think you both are making some major decision regarding this connection. Maybe you both want to reconcile or not. There is some justice, marriage, proposing. I think you both are thinking either to take this relationship to next level or separated permanently. I think there is some major decision making, because 2 times judgment card. I think for some who are in legal issues, I think your legal issues will be resolved in near future. For those who are in applying for divorce, I am seeing legal issues resolution, resolving. Yeah, communication is going to be happen, and maybe you both are working your finances and careers. 9 of Pentacles energy is here. So I think some major decision making I am seeing. But 7 of Swords energy, I think your person may be hiding something from you. Maybe you, it could be energy, could be vice versa. Take what resonate. There is some sneaky energy, cheating, lying, and whatever. But they're missing you. They're thinking about you a lot. So let's see your overall energy for the week, Pisces. Again, you also want to restore your balance. You also want to work on yourself. And yeah, maybe you are holding back. You are concentrating on your career, but you are thinking about them a lot. This could be soulmate and past life connection with each other. You both are missing each other. You both are thinking about each other a lot. So let's see your person overall energy for the week, Pisces. 2 cards. I think one po. Devil. I think your person is obsessed with you. Yeah, they're obsessively thinking about you. They want brand new beginnings with you. They want to take leap of faith. And 6 of Swords. They want to fix the things between both of you. And 9 of Wands. Maybe they're guarded, but in past, but now they want to fix the things between both of you. For some, I think your person also, for some, they want to be with you or they want to move on. That's type of juggling, because they are also juggling right now. I think you both are going to be make some major decision regarding this connection, but they are obsessed with you. They're thinking about you a lot. So let's see some message from Moon Oracle deck for you, Pisces. But some communication will happen between both of you. Knight of Swords. Take time to breathe out. So if you are doing a lot of work, So it's time to breathe out. Take some time. Do you maybe take some rest, whatever you want to do, but take time to yourself. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.